Hi guys, today we're reviewing the Top Race racing boat. It does come with all the batteries you need for it. The remote control takes a 9-volt battery, and the boat itself has a rechargeable battery. So you just plug it in. It took about 30 minutes for it to reach full charge. And as you can see, it just runs. It runs in the side and just keeps going. This thing's fast. I'm trying to control it with just one hand here since I'm doing a video, but as you can see, it has no problem. It doesn't sink or anything in the water. On the remote, it does have a turn knob so that you can turn it, and it has the accelerator, just like a trigger on a gun. And there it goes. This thing is fast. Thanks for watching. Okay.